Now, the house that we're looking at today is a 30-year-old brick house with some settling in the foundation. The homeowner says that the heating and cooling bills are just going through the roof. So today we have Jim Hunter with us from Home Depot. Hi, Jim.
Hello.
And right off the bat, I can see that we have cracks in the wall here. So how do we handle this problem?
This is a pretty common problem with older homes, but it's really easy to fix and any homeowner can do it. Basically, all you'll use is a mortar repair product.
Looks like a caulking kit.
It literally is. If you can caulk, you can do this repair. It has a flat end on it to ease the application. And basically what we'll do is we'll just start right here in the corner where I've already gotten started, and we'll just go ahead and apply it.
And does this come in different colors so that you can match the mortar on the house?
Several different colors. So if you have an older home or you have one, even the colored grouts in your home, you can go ahead and use this. And don't worry about putting too much in because you can spread that out with your finger.
You can also lose heat through the doors in your home, and that includes the garage door, which many people forget about. Now, this seal looks like it's in pretty good shape. It doesn't have any cracks in it, but what if it wasn't?
It appears to be in good shape, but you want to go ahead and get on the inside of the garage door with the door down. You see any light coming through on the inside, you want to go ahead and replace it. The easiest way to replace it, on this type, on the steel door, you just slide it right in. And where on an older woods door, you just go ahead, put it against the bottom, and just nail it on.
And if we wanted to take it one step further, we could add some extra insulation.
Right, there's insulated sheathing available. It comes in a 4x8 sheet. It's readily cut with a razor knife. And you just take it, cut it to fit the inside of the panels, slip them in, and you're ready to go.
Homeowners also need to take a look at all of their outside electrical outlets. If there's any extra space between the wall and the outlet, you can use an insulating gasket or insulating foam to seal it. It's also a good idea to cover your air conditioning unit. Slipping a cover over it will eliminate airflow from the unit to your house. Jim, the homeowners had the right idea by wrapping these pipes, but this is kind of falling apart, so nothing lasts forever, does it?
No, this is obviously something you need to watch season to season. And the easy way to repair this is I have a foam insulation that's already pre-split and has the adhesive on it. It'll just slide right down over the top of this hose bib and seals great right here on the side.
Well, that's easy.
Yes. If you have a more traditional horizontal unit, basically this hook will just go on the very bottom of the hose bib, hook underneath it, tighten this wing nut, and it makes a great seal right here on the side.
Great. Well, Jim, thank you so much for joining us and showing us all these great tips.
You're very welcome.